Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the SQL tutorial. And in this we will be learning about the SQL where clause. Where clause is basically used to filter records, and this is basically to give the condition on the filtered records, and this makes your filtering process much more easy and simple to get desired results. Okay, it is used to extract only those records that fulfill specific conditions, which we will see afterwards. So this is the syntax of the where clause. Select is the first keyword which is used. Then you have to specify the number of the columns which you want. Then you have to use the from keyword and give the name of the table, and then you have to use the where keyword and you have to give the condition and then the semicolon. Okay, semicolon is most important. I will show you the demonstration or the example where you can give like a where condition. Okay, so this is the demo database which we are using so far, and let me just show you this example. Okay, so what we are doing over here, we are selecting everything from the customers table. This is what we are looking so far. uh, as of now everything is same over here. Okay, we are selecting everything from customers table where the country is Mexico. Okay, so what is happening over here is we are selecting all the this records or the all the rows from the table, from the customers table where the country is exactly equal to Mexico. Okay, so let me just do one thing. I will select everything from the customers. Okay, I'm running this, and currently there are this 91 records or 91 rows, but over here countries are different, Germany, Mexico, UK, and everything is there. But I want to um, select only those these columns where country is exactly equal to Mexico. Okay, I want only those record which consist country as this Mexico. So now I have given this condition, and now I will run this SQL. Now as can be seen, I'm only getting this 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows of the 6 records where the country is exactly equal to this Mexico. If I want something like Germany, okay, I think okay, Germany is there. Let me just try with UK. Okay, so now it is displaying all the columns where countries is equal to UK. Okay, so this is how you can give the condition over here. And next is you can also specify this numbers also, text fields and the numeric fields. Okay, so there is a rule for the text field and the numeric field. Over here we have specified the text. Okay, so UK is a text, but if I want to specify the numbers like the 12, 13 and all, then I can give it directly. But whenever you are giving text data, that time you have to make use of the single quotes. Okay, so whenever you are entering text, just put that text inside of these single quotes. But when it comes to numbers, you don't have to put this single quotes. Okay, so this is the another example. Over here what we are doing is we are selecting the customer who is having the ID as 1. Okay, so as can be seen, we have selected the customer with ID as 1. Since this is a numeric data, that's why I have put the number directly as 1. I can select the customer who is having the ID as 12. Okay, so whenever you are putting the numeric data or numbers, you don't have to use make use of this single quotes. Okay, if I'm just putting like this and running this, this is running right now, but it will most probably throw the error, but currently it is working. But for numeric data you don't have to put the single quotes. Okay, okay, so this was all about where condition, and you can also make use of the operators also. Yeah, you can also display the all the customers whose customer ID is less than or equal to 10, and it will display the results. If you want to display everything from the customers where the customer ID is greater than 10, then you can do that also. Okay, so first to 10 records are ignored, and from the level it is displaying everything until 91. Okay, so these are some of the conditions you can make use of, and this is the in between condition. Let me just try with this. And you can select everything from the products where the price is between 50 and 60. Okay, and let me just show you how you can do that over here. I will put that condition over here. Where the customers is between 50 and 60. Where customer is between 50 and customer ID, I guess. Okay, so where the customer ID is between 50 and 60. Okay, so it is displaying all the customer where the customer's ID between the 50 to 60. And there are also a lot many other examples which you can try out over here. Okay, so just see how these examples are working. Search for pattern. Okay, let me just see. City like, yes. Okay, so over here what is been done is that it is selecting everything from the customers table where city like, and this is the syntax. Okay, so syntax is basically the single quotes, and then s is there, and s is there, and then the percentage is there. Okay, so what this stands for is it will select everything from the customers table where the city's name will start from s. Okay, so it can start with it will start with yes, and after that there could be almost anything. Okay, so this percentage stands for anything. Okay, so this is how it will select. Okay, it will go and it will fetch all the data where the cities will starts from yes. Okay, you can change this to something else also, something else also. Like if I'm choosing A, then it will show all the records where the city name starts with A. And next is in. Okay, so this is the next example. It will select everything from the customers for the city in Paris and London. Okay, so Paris and London. Okay, so there are two records where the city is Paris and rest of them are London. Okay, so you can just put the condition. You can select everything from the customers where the city is either this Paris or London, and it will show all the results. Okay, and you can also, let me just give one more example. Instead of the double quotes, I will put one more name, and let me just fetch up the results, and it will give me the result for cities like London, then the HN and Paris. Okay, so this is how you can filter out the data with the help of these conditions. And yeah, everything is covered so far. Thanks for watching.